Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get Facebook Marketplace back if it's disappeared from your account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. So, let's dive in. Losing access to Facebook Marketplace can be frustrating, especially when you want to browse or list items. Here's how to fix it. First, open the Facebook app and tap the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Next, scroll to Preferences and select Tab Bar. Here, tap Customize the bar, then check the Hidden section. If Marketplace is hidden, just tap Pin and it should reappear in your menu. Simple, right? If that doesn't solve it, don't worry. You can search for I can't access Facebook Marketplace in the Facebook Help Center. Make sure your profile allows Marketplace access, you're listing approved items, and everything follows Facebook's policies. Sometimes a quick check on these settings can fix the problem. And that's it. With these steps, you should have Facebook Marketplace back and ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.